guys, so it's 5 in the morning and today we will be cycling to Johor, Bahru, Malaysia. So our first stop is at Newton to meet Janet and Lisa, and then along the way we will pick up our other friends Jane and Awi. So see you guys. So now I am with Janet and Lisa. Along the way, we've met a fellow WCR rider. Alison.
Hello. How are you guys doing?
Good. How are you?
Good.
But I'm going on a different ride today.
What? You're not coming with us?
Yeah, I'm going to JB.
Cheating on us.
You take care. Have fun. Let's go. What's the plan today?
Let us cool down first. Let us cool down first and talk. Are we? I don't know where you want to go. Let's see where you. I said Puteri Harbour. Isn't it?
Yeah, we can still go there, right? So today we will eat wonton mee,
Again,
cendol,
a lot of things to eat. So,
bakote. We will eat all of that.
I'll send you the link to your plan.
At this point of time, we have already met everyone. We are now ready to cross the border. For the immigration clearance, you only need to present your passport and working pass if you are a foreigner. We have managed to clear the Singapore immigration within 15 minutes. We continued on for another kilometer and reached the Malaysia immigration. Here, you need to present the same documents for the clearance. The clearing was longer a bit compared to the Singapore immigration, but still not bad. Just a reminder to be careful when you are cycling, as there are many speed bumps until you reach the exit of both Singapore and Malaysia immigrations. After clearing the border clearance, we decided to go for a nice breakfast. But wait, something unexpected happened.
Parang flat yung gulong ko.
Malambot. Ayo, flat. Flat ka. Janet got punctured tire. Luckily, our friends have spare inner tube and we managed to change Janet's. Breakfast, here we come. After having a nice breakfast, we are now ready to go back to Singapore. Just kidding, we are now heading to Puteri Harbour. Enjoy the views along the way. After cycling about 22 kilometers from the border, we have finally reached Puteri Harbour. We are very happy that the view here was amazing. taking pictures. We also had light refreshments at the nearby coffee shop. We are now heading back to the border. Before reaching the border, Janet suffered from another puncture. Lucky that we still have spare inner tube. Awi, a veteran cyclist who is with us, suggests to bring at least 2 spare inner tubes when cycling to Malaysia. If you plan to cycle on a Sunday, it is also recommended to go back to Singapore before 3 p.m. to avoid crowd in the immigration. We are back in Singapore! Did you enjoy?
Yes, before.
After the 2 punctures,
punctured.
what can you say?
Welcome and goodbye. God bless.
Oh, and then the rain came pouring. We stopped for a while at the bus stop. Don't worry, we did not get wet.
Every day Sunday.